The Missouri House passed a proposed change to the state's constitution, changing the way sex offenders are prosecuted. House Joint Resolution 16 allows evidence from prior criminal investigations to be used against a defendant accused of a sex crime. The evidence can only be considered if the victim is less than 16 years old. The sponsor of the legislation claims the constitutional amendment gives another tool to the state's justice system when it comes to fighting sex offenders.
This constitutional amendment will be a basis for our courts to be able to decide that they can allow this evidence, or this propensity evidence, into admission. I think that we can go home this week and we can say, you know what, we did something to truly protect children.
Previously, this type of evidence was allowed in the state, but in 2007, the Missouri Supreme Court ruled it unconstitutional. Not everyone agrees with the proposed change to the state's constitution. Several opponents claim the proposal tips the balance of power in the courtroom.
With our system, our legal system of proof, our checks, our balances, that delicate balance between protecting an individual's rights against a crime they may or may not have committed versus protecting children. It's unnecessary, Mr. Speaker.
The Missouri House approved the proposed change to the state's constitution with 130 yes votes. If approved by the General Assembly, the proposal must be approved by the voters before becoming law. Reporting from the state capitol, I'm Jonathan Lorenz.